Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie with the Appomattox Regional Library System, coming to show you one of our latest take-home crafts. To start with, you're going to want to go ahead and cut out all of your templates. That means your wings and the circle for your bumblebee's face. This is our Busy Bee craft, and it's so much fun to make. So once you've got your templates cut out, go ahead and put a 1/2 inch of glue along one side of your bumblebee's body, and then go ahead and seal it up and hold it for about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to work on the stripes. To do that, measure one stripe around to where it just overlaps, and then go ahead and put a ton of glue on both stripes and put them about 1 inch apart on your bee. So you want about 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the bottom. I like to line up all my seams so they're in the back and they don't show, but that's completely optional. Once you've done that and you're sure they're secure, go ahead and put a little bit of glue down the middle of your wings and secure them on the back as well. Next, we're going to go ahead and color the face. To do this, you're going to want to color the whole thing yellow to start with, just to get a nice base for your bumblebee. And then you can do the face any way you like. I did some funny looking eyes and a little silly smile, but you can do it however you like. And once you have your face painted, go ahead and cut 2 strips off of your black square and use those for your bumblebee's antenna. Go ahead and glue it onto the body and you're all done. This craft can be picked up at any of our locations until we run out. Have a great day.